We are here in Food Network Studios to try fast food breakfast sandwiches.
I think the last breakfast sandwich I had from a true fast food restaurant was like one of those McDonald's ones that has like the syrup injected in the bun, and like you eat it and it's like sausage and egg, but then it's also like savory sweet because it's like a pancake. Yeah.
McGriddle?
Yeah, a McGriddle.
It's my friend Peter. Peter, what's your experience with fast food chains?
Well, I spent a good chunk of my 20s playing in crappy bands that no one cares about, so I've eaten lots and lots of fast food.
I will be testing sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwiches, but because Peter here is a vegetarian, he's just gonna be doing egg and cheese. And I gotta be honest, I think that might be harder.
I think this is gonna be really hard. Before me and Hannah start to taste these breakfast sandwiches, don't forget to subscribe by clicking right down here and click over here to get notified every time we upload a new video. Feels like a biscuit.
It feels like it's a croissant.
I think it's Dunkin' Donuts.
I agree.
A lot of biscuit.
The biscuit is really flaky and like, it's a lot of biscuit. Like I'm getting majority biscuit.
What if I told you it was a croissant?
It's a croissant.
Okay, I knew it.
I know where
because
it's from.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Yep.
You got it! It's Dunkin' Donuts!
I think it's Dunkin' Donuts, final answer.
I agree.
You got it! Woo! Amazing!
I'd try and high five you, but I think we'd miss. Yes, we did it.
Okay, this one definitely feels like a biscuit.
I can't tell if this is a biscuit or if it's like, I don't know what kind of bread product I'm dealing with here.
The bread product is throwing me off.
It's biscuit-y,
Yeah.
Biscuit's good.
so it's definitely not McDonald's because it's not the McDonald's biscuit.
I think I know this one.
What's your guess?
Chick-fil-A. When I was in high school, pretty much every single day I would drive through Chick-fil-A in the morning and get a Chick-fil-A biscuit. And the biscuit tasted very similar to this.
Okay, I'm just gonna say Carl's Jr. to like not guess the same exact thing every time.
I think I'm gonna go with like Carl's Jr.
I'm gonna guess this is Chick-fil-A.
It's Chick-fil-A!
Good job, Han.
It's Chick-fil-A!
Oh, nice.
I think it's McDonald's.
Wait,
Oh wait,
wait,
no,
oh my God.
It's not, it's not. This actually feels more like an English muffin.
This is good.
Ooh, I think this is an English muffin.
Yeah?
Well, smells like it.
I think it's definitely McDonald's.
1,000,000%. This tastes like McDonald's.
I'm gonna go ahead and say this little baby is Wendy's.
I don't think it's from Wendy's. I think it's either from Carl's Jr. or Burger King.
Oh, I forgot about Burger King. Oh my God, I'm switching it. I'm gonna say Burger King. Burger King has consistently been the best fast food chain in every one of these that we've done. And this is my favorite sandwich so far. So I totally spaced on Burger King, but I think it's Burger King.
You guys, you're wrong.
Oh my God.
It's McDonald's.
What?
Wow, McDonald's, good for you.
I'm gonna say McDonald's.
Final answer.
Final answer.
You got it! McDonald's.
This is also feels like sort of a croissant. It's got like
Flaky,
a little bit of like.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is definitely a croissant. Whoa.
No, it's not good.
Oh my God.
I think it tastes pretty good.
That might be the best one yet.
I taste how Wendy's smells.
It's got sort of a like flame broiled taste to it.
Is that a hint?
I don't know. I haven't had Burger King in years, and this is really good. So
I'd second that one.
I don't know. I'm gonna go with Burger King.
You got it!
Damn.
Burger King!
My hand's in the middle if you can find it. Yes, we found it.
It's Burger King!
Good job.
Whoa!
The other group thought this was the best one.
Really?
Ugh, boys.
This feels like a really good looking biscuit.
this is the one I would have said would be Chick-fil-A, but we already did Chick-fil-A.
Like I would have guessed McDonald's on this one.
This tastes spongy.
It tastes the most real.
It tastes the most
of
real.
all of them.
I don't think it's Wendy's.
Well, this is definitely not Wendy's.
Does Wendy's even do breakfast?
Do they even breakfast?
Do
at
they
Wendy's?
even?
The sausage honestly has a nice little kick to it.
Here's the deal. If you're competing with a McDonald's and like a Burger King, like 6 trillion sold, you're not gonna upend that anytime soon. So like you gotta do something to sort of like distinguish yourself from the pack.
Right, you gotta bring it.
You gotta bring the butter. And I think that's what they're doing here.
Well, I've guessed Wendy's for the last two and I've been wrong, so I'm gonna go out on a limb and say Carl's Jr.
I'm gonna say Carl's Jr.
Okay, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that this is Wendy's just because of the spice to the sausage.
It's Carl's Jr.
Oh my God, wait.
Carl's Jr.
Yes.
You got it!
Oh! 5 for 5. That's what it is, yeah.
I'm a little disappointed in myself about how much I did love that.
I feel like I need to take a really large nap, and I also really want coffee.
Some of these chains need to step up the game. But then some of them are doing great stuff that nobody really knew about. Burger King. You've been serving breakfast like this all this time? Like, why didn't you tell me that all
Are
these
there even
years?
Carl's Jr.'s on the East Coast?
Are there even Carl's Jr.'s on the East Coast? Who knows? The world may never know.
This is definitely a drive-through meal to me. Like, this is definitely a
Road trip?
I roll my windows down.
Road tripping?
Yes. Shall we?
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Taste Test. Let us know down in the comments what your favorite fast food breakfast sandwich is, and we'll see you next time. Bye.